say 20.
He said cash 10, and I can do cash.
Okay, I'll do 10, 20,
Can you do 50 for all
20.
three?
Yes. We'll flip a coin, 100 or 0.
Yeah. I hate that game.
I love that game.
I know, I suck at that game.
Hey, to be honest, he's not that great at it either.
No, I lose all the time. You sure you don't want to flip? 100 or 0?
You would not need that.
There, Jay.
Awesome once. Ooh. You know where we're going tonight?
Strip club?
No, I don't go there.
You're like Dave and Buck. Thank you guys.
I like that. Carry them
You didn't know the back?
like this. A lot of people want the original, yeah, so it's hard for me to like. People make
A little funny front goes.
I can sell them all
$40.
day, but to buy
Thank you.
it's hard. The chef from the Boss Burgers. I used to have it in a package, but it got like messed up and moving.
How much is he?
I do $5. Yeah, for $5. I think I paid retail was like $12.99 for them. But like I said, the packaging got messed up. Moving from show to show, so. Awesome. Thank you guys. You never know what you're going to find at one of these shows, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
$5.
$5?
Oh, you might get some more knickknacks and paddywhacks.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm like transitioning to. Is like a lot of my smalls is like more fun. Like for me personally, I used to do a lot of pops, like pretty much.
That's gotten crazy over the years.
Yeah, and we did it since when it was at its peak, right? And so now it's kind of dropped off. We still sell them, but not as much as before. So I've transitioned more into like Pokemon, different collectibles. I like the little smalls. That's my thing. Like you said, the little tchotchkes or knickknacks.
You're visiting all of our vendors from the Wing Ballroom, the main floor.
It adds up. Like 10, $15.
He's gonna need he is.
I think I did.
He's gonna need a whole room for it.
What you gonna buy, Christmas socks?
Time to
I got 7 picked out.
I'm gonna give you a good deal.
Yeah, I'll let Sean make the deal.
Let's see what we got. Just picking out some pops.
I'm gonna roll. I'm finding some good ones in here.
What do you call those? The soda cans?
Yeah.
You know if you want some Pokemon, just take them.
Nah, I'm gonna have to come to the shop for that.
Oh, she wants silver.
Okay.
I mean, well,
I'm just saying.
Yep.
That one's got to be free because he's sideways.
Is that knives?
Yep.
I love knives.
that's my name. Let's spell it a Y. You know, we got the big wall over here.
Yeah, I looked there for a while ago. I haven't checked
Check
this
the
out.
front bins as well.
Yeah, there's some in the
Yeah, I
front.
checked those bins too.
Like 20. It's Robin Yank, yeah.
105. 45. 65. 85. 115. 155. 20. 175. 140.
Okay.
Pay him. Give him like $25 off.
How much you say, Sean?
140.